Hi, amazing people from YouTube. I hope you are well. Today we'll talk in my channel about the most important thing to do for success. So I really wanted to talk about this because I think that most of the people forget the most important thing, the basement of what is it we need for success. And I really wanted to share this story with you, and maybe it will help you as well to do what you need to succeed. Right. So the story starts 10 years ago. I very loved so much, and I still love it. I love piano. I love playing piano. I mean, playing is a big word anyway. And I really wanted to learn it. Like, I was dreaming every day about it, every day. And I was looking videos on YouTube. I was talking to people about it. I was looking everywhere for pianos. So the thing is that I was lucky because my father, for my birthday, decided to give me money, and he said, "Okay, whatever you want to buy it." And I just chose to buy like just a keyboard, like a 66 keys keyboard for myself, and I bought that. I was so happy, and then I played for 1 month, and then I just forget about it. Now, funny enough, 10 years later, 10 years later, I was thinking about piano and playing, and thinking that piano would be amazing again to play. I had books, I had like YouTube things, and I didn't really have the money to buy it at this time. And I was like, okay, I really want to do piano. I was playing on a computer, like this kind of apps when you can play piano like this, and it's just awful. And I was watching so many videos on YouTube of people just showing how they was playing so nicely, and I was just dreaming again and again and again. So at the end of, like, I think it was 2 days ago, I decided to try to buy a piano. So I look everywhere and on internet what was the best piano with 88 keys, like the nice keyboard one, not the smallest one, and things. I wanted something nice for me because I was dreaming about being like Alicia Keys, singing and playing piano. I was dreaming a lot. Actually, I'm just an amazing dreamer, and at the end of the day, after all those years wasted about dreaming about piano and all these kind of things, I finally bought my piano. Amazing. I bought a piano. I have the piano now, and I still have it here. And why I wanted to talk about this story is because I personally am an amazing dreamer, and dreaming so many days about doing things, about playing piano and being an amazing singer and piano player and things like that. Dreaming everything about it, and then when it comes to do something, I just don't do it. Like, it's just like chasing something again and again until when you have it and you're like, well, what am I going to do with that? And so yeah, I just share this story to say that the most important thing for success and to be like an amazing Alicia Keys playing piano is actually to do something about it. Just actions. If you don't put any actions, it's just useless. You're just dreaming. Dreaming is nice. Like, you can find this in books. You can dream during your sleep. And yeah, if you don't do anything in real life, it's not gonna happen anything. If I don't learn every day to play a bit of piano, I will never be able to play. And I think that's what a lot of people miss. Like, we just love dreaming, watching films that show us an amazing life, like watching people on Facebook, on Instagram, showing their amazing, like, make us dream, which is nice sometimes. Like, it's just enjoyable and make us dream big. But when it comes to our lives and doing something for us, there is nobody. Everyone's gone, like, not doing much effort. And I think if you really want to do something, it's nice to put it on paper and say, okay, today I will maybe do one action about it. I was learning piano before, like for a while, and I was just like playing for maybe 30 minutes a day, and I was learning so much. I was learning so many things about it, and yeah, it's just motivation just disappeared because I didn't really, it wasn't really, yeah, I just didn't enjoy it after a while because I didn't maintain it enough. So I think that the best thing we can do is to nurture what we really want and just do it, even if it's small actions every day. Just pop it on our head as a priority, and then we do it more. And maybe after 1 year, well, you have done what you really wanted to do. So yeah, that was just a message. That was just my message for today. I hope you enjoy my little story, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.